Hallo. Hi people, hello mensen. Okay, this is the 2nd of December 2025. 2 December 2025. Right. I'm now on my way to take us to the engineering works to cut it up, drill it bigger or cut it bigger or whatever they do with it, with their machine. It's actually a cutter. It's not a drill, it's a cutter. It cuts the thing bigger. Okay, sny dit groter. Ek nie 'n boor nie. Ek gewone bitch, a normal bitch to cut it up. The metal out as it moves down. Okay. So let's go on with this road. Part 3 of the motor. Right. morning. It's Friday today, the 5th of December 2025, and I think I've taken this in on Tuesday, the 2nd of December 2025 for this cutting out there to 95 millimeters from 94 to 95 millimeters. Okay, now you know the noise coming from waar die geraas vandaan kom. Is that busy road R62. Right, now I must clean this here. Now that you don't drop down, stay up. Goed, nou my boutjies het oké, nou kyk gou hier. Dis 11 mm boutjies met 'n pitch. Wat is dit nou skreeu? Okay, 1,5 mm 11 bolt, because 1,5 op sy laasies, so, en het is 11 mm dik. So ek draai net my einde top daarin. Hier het begin in my middel te medium top nie, my end top. Net om seker te maak dis skoon. I'm just turning my end top in there, not the beginning one, on the medium center one, just to make sure it's at the end, so that my bolt doesn't bottom before it's tight. So I just do them all like this, and it's an 11 millimeter tap, 1.5 millimeter pitch. So that's it. Little bit of metal coming out, rust or whatever. Right. That's what's coming out of there. Okay, so iemand het gesê, sien ek is besig met 'n groot projek hier. Ja, dit moet die moeite werd wees om die seiers wat so gesukkel was in die hande te kry. Van India af. Dit is eintlik gemaak in EU, en dit's 'n AE part. Well, somebody contact WhatsApp me and told me that I'm busy with a big job, project. Yeah, it is a big project, making it worthwhile. We're struggling to get hold of the pistons from India. It's AE engine part pistons from Europe, from the EU, made in the EU. So I must make it worthwhile. So I'm going to fix this motor now with a 1 millimeter oversize, 95 millimeter cut out there, and drilled out, whatever they call it, cut out. Well, a drill also cuts. That's what it does. It has a chisel and it cuts into the metal and it shaves it out in little curls. If it's nice and sharp and the speed is right, then it curls out. So it actually shovels into the metal as you use a shovel. You take pieces of ground out, it takes pieces of metal out. Goed, en dit nou die storie van dit. Dan moet ek hom omkeer. Now I must turn it upside down or whatever to clean it underneath from bottom, van onderaf skoon kry. So, as die ding uit die weg uit die pad uit, put it out the way. So I just hope the plastic milk crate broken one is already broken. Can keep it up. Ek hoop die ou melkkarret is daar reeds stukkend. So, kyk maar. Oh, golly. Sorry for that. Maybe turn this thing over. Right. Amper omgegooi. Okay, hopefully it's good. So, let's see. Now from there, it goes in from the oil pump. There, from oil pump. From the oil pump, there, oops, there it goes above the main, center main bearing, into the channel here, there, and it comes out of there. Then I made it along here, and I drilled it in here until they get there. So that comes to here, and then I drilled from this point down through this to here. Right, so then it feeds the oil filter, and the well from the oil filter goes in there, and I drilled that one there through here behind this into this gully there, in the back there. So I drilled that one into this gully here. So then I drilled this one right through to the other end, and then I drilled all these main bearing holes through here into that one there. Right, so that one, and that one. It's right into the one in there. Good. Now, here you can see it came out of here. So right from through here to the other side there. There's a plug here, and it's plugged on the other side. Then they drilled from there to there, through there. Okay, now there's a groove in the bearing shell is here. So they feed the oil through the main bearing shell into here. Then it goes to the camshaft, and from the camshaft they also drilled one through from there, van daar af deur tot in die nokasse kanaaltjie hier wat van daar af loop hiernaartoe. So, en dan het hulle weer hier geprop daar. So daar ingeboor. Dwars deur deze through this channel, deur this kanaal tot daar. And then they drilled from this point into the channel going through to there. So this one and that one gets connected inside here, and this one connects inside here. And the tensioner block comes on here to tension the timing chain, die ketting, die distribusieketting, die tydketting waar daar so moet die olie so storie styf gehou met die olie saam. So die olie kom hier uit. So van daar af, van die hoofkanaal, hier deur die laar, daar, op, deur, tot daar, en nokkas daar. Goed, so dis nou alle olie kanaaltjies en goedertjies en all channels and things. And stop this video here because it's going to be a long video. And I better go and turn that thing off in there, 20 meters from us. A noisy compressor. Tot ziens, tot de volgende video. Until the next video, bye bye. Right. So, tot ziens, tot de volgende video. Got the next video. Thank you for viewing this video. What is this? Part 3. Part 3. Deel 3. Zoiets. Okay. Van die motor. Regmaak van die engine. Motor, whatever you want to call it, diesel motor, XD2 diesel motor, engine. Thank you for viewing. Dankie dat julle na deze video gekyk het. Ja. So, thank you for subscribing. Dankie vir subscriptie, teken of wat ook al. So, tot de volgende video.